open it up, okay? Look, open.
What is it, bud? Help open it up.
Now the pepper off. Take it out.
Woo! What's in there?
What's that? It's a bubble mower. It's a lawnmower. Yay! Open. Okay, we're gonna open it. Let's see what this is. Look.
Gas tank.
Gas tank.
Yeah, you got gas now.
Yay!
That's right.
Yeah,
You put gas in your car.
put gas in your car.
Beep, 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 beep. $3.29. Oh, you got gas for $3.29. What does the button say?
Ain't far off. That's what it is, those gentlemen. Yeah,
Yeah, your gas tank.
Squishy. Go to Squishy. He likes a lot
Lawnmower. Lawnmower. He likes it, right?
He likes lawnmower. That lawnmower in the gas tank.
That's what I forgot. I forgot the extra bubbles. I got to get some.
Yeah, I got a big thing somewhere.
That's your gas
Can I
tank.
get
You put it in
a nine?
put it in the lawnmower. Mama runs out of lawn gas. You can pump it in there. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
These are Madonna's.
Yeah, them.
Here's mine.
Here you go.
All right, let me open.
Uh-huh. It's good.
Yeah.
I don't have a picture of all these.
Mama.
There you go.
Mama.
Let's see.
Mama.
Okay, ready to pull it out? Oh, it's in pieces. You are. Everything's in pieces.
You got to fix it.
Fix it.
You gotta fix it.
Mama.
There it is.
Fix it, Jimmy.
Mama. Mama.
Lawnmower.
Lawnmower.
Rum, rum, rum.
Oh, sure.
Oh,
Here,
yeah,
Jimmy.
fail, you look at that little white paper.
Yeah, it's just supposed to go like that.
Yeah. May I squeeze it so it'll start.
There you go. All the way in. Push it down a
You
little bit
think
more.
it's squeezed?
I
Sorry.
think it's locked, dude.
Yeah, see them little bars there on each side? There you go. Now that middle section.
Yeah, it's locked.
Yeah, you got it.
I think it's locked in. Yeah. There you go.
All right.
Look, you puss in the yard. You go cut the grass.
Look at that little child.
That's a racket, dude.
Yeah, let you read the directions. Yeah, that's one thing I forgot to remember to get.
That's right. They got switches on it.
Yeah, I got it. I don't know where it is now.
Good job,
I
bud.
got.
They're on a well, huh?
Oh, on the well house? Okay.
Mama.
That's right.
Oh, yeah.
You got different speeds on it.
Put that in there. I know he likes gas and he likes the lawnmower.
Look at that. I like the lawnmower better.
Oh, Lord, I didn't know. That one.
Oh, I didn't remember. That was a fair.
Oh, that's all. Yeah.
I think it was a shower.
Mm-hmm.
It had to be.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It was a shower.
Start it.
Oh, Lord.